Hi guys, Dr. Gaynor here, and I wanted to talk to you today about the difference between acknowledging your feelings and complaining about your feelings. Now, the difference is really about the focus. So, first of all, let's just say life is hard. We can all agree about that, and sometimes we need to vent. We need to get out what's going on in our life, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. It's important that we acknowledge our feelings because when we internalize our feelings, meaning we're keeping things inside, we're not talking about it, we're not identifying the things that are struggles for us, we tend to blow up. Our feelings demand to be dealt with. So, internalizing our feelings can lead to things like significant anger. It can lead to negative coping mechanisms like over drinking, drug use, promiscuity, getting into conflict or arguments, or things like significant feelings of anxiety and depression. And so, first of all, talking about your feelings, there is nothing wrong with that. The difference between acknowledging your feelings and complaining about them is really with your focus. So when you're acknowledging what's going on, do you continually focus on the things that aren't going right and stay in that place? Or can you acknowledge your feelings and one, leave it there, or think about what you can do differently? A lot of times when we overly focus on the things that aren't going right, and we're complaining about our feelings, it tends to lead to other things. For instance, it's really prominent in the things that we say. So the words that we're using, are our words negative? Are we cursing? Are we frustrated? Are we complaining? Are we picking out all the negative things and not being able to maybe look at the bigger picture or being able to move on to other things we may need to do? In addition to it impacting the words we use, it's also going to impact our behaviors. If we are frustrated with work and we are overly focusing on what's not going right, it may lead us to maybe not put in our best work. Maybe it can lead us to avoiding getting deadlines taken care of. Maybe it can lead us to avoid other responsibilities because we're so frustrated about what's going on. So it's important to acknowledge how you feel, talk about what's going on. And if you're not in a place now where you can talk about a resolution, because a lot of times we're not, leave it there. But we don't want to overly focus where we are tending to have negative words or negative actions that are impacting our relationships with others and ourselves, and also our work, our engagement, the daily things that we need to get done. So let's take the time to address our feelings, but not let them overtake us and change our outlook. Because at the end of the day, we're here for an important purpose, whatever that looks like. And there are a lot of blessings we have. So let's try to focus on the good things, in addition to identifying the things aren't going well, to live a better life every single day. This has been Dr. Gaynor Speaks.